Aloha! This is Iris Patin for Butterfly Circles with the vibrations of this period. We are the period of abundance. September is this month where the equinox falls on the 20th. And it's really a perfect day to make your balance between your masculinity, your femininity, between your physical, non-physical body. And this is really a benchmark, you could say. Where am I in my life? And how many personalities did I play in my life to survive? Because, you know, from little on, we always had a certain personality. So we played a role in our lives and we adapted ourselves to our environment. And you have to know that many people still are in the same role. And it's really time in September to get rid of that role, because you are not that little boy, that little girl anymore. And this is consciousness rising, which means we take the responsibility of our own being, of our feelings as well. So when we do not feel full, it's not okay. We should be fulfilling ourselves in the month of September. Many people, they feel empty and they give themselves away, and what happens? Bath, they fall sick. And this is the period to know, am I fulfilled or am I empty? Many people have the feeling these days, I'm empty, so I will consume, because this is what we learned in capitalism. I don't feel well, I'm gonna consume my wellness. Well, in these times, it is not possible anymore. We have to fulfill ourselves. And, you know, when we were playing roles in our lives, this was also to survive, sometimes at work, sometimes at the sports club, or sometimes in the show business, or in the film, or whatever. And you can see that many people who are big stars, they are stuck in their role, and it's very difficult for them to step out of it and to come into that tiny space that's so precious, that's the real you. And this is to explore in September. Who is the real you? The real you is most of all in the shower, all alone. You know, that's the real you, not thinking, not in the head, but in the whole body. Do we cultivate our real me? No, because we don't have this space of free time anymore. I call it me free time. And it's really precious time, because when I take the me free time, that means that there are days without anything. It's the me free time. And it is in this time that magical happens, because I don't planify. I'm just being. I'm being in that empty space of endless time. I have a sea of time, and there are a lot of things that can happen, but I do not plan anything. I do not even plan my meals, to make meals or whatever. And this is the me free time, is the space that I create for spirit. And it's a very, very important thing that we forget, is to make space for spirit, is to make space for magic to happen. And this is September. And so you can, that's the first thing, you can really plan me free time in your agenda in September. And the second tip is, or advice, is to be in gratitude. Begin your day to be in gratitude. Feel something where you are so grateful for, and you begin your day on these vibes of gratitude. And there are a lot of things that we are gratitude for in these days, because we have the trees that gives us the fruit, we have the winds that cleanse the air, We have the trees that provides us of oxygen. We have all the vegetables that gives us food. We have the rain that will nurture everything. You know, we have so many things to be grateful for. So start your day with gratefulness, and you can really feel that the first vibes of the day, it makes your day. Okay, so, and you can cultivate it more and more. Where the energy goes is what you are creating. So, and a third tip or advice for September is work with your throat. This is what tells the truth. So really work your throat, work your truth. And instead of saying, yes, I'm going to do that for you, sometimes you feel it in your throat, you don't want to do it. And this is the moment where you practice your throat and said, no. Sorry, it's me free time. I cannot be there that day. So, all right. I wish you a really beautiful, abundant September and a really nice equinox. And on the 10th of September, I will have a really beautiful fire in the garden, and I invite you to be here with us, because we will sing, we will dance, we will make music around the fire to celebrate Mabon, to celebrate the equinox. This is for men, for women, for children. And then on the 20th September, it's for the priestesses. And then we will celebrate as well a whole day with the feminine Avalon energy. That was it for today. Oha, thank you so much.